As a facility manager, you expect your cleaning service provider to be responsive, proactive, and to offer an open line of communication. But how often does the reality fall short? Urgent spills or messes left unattended for hours, complaints about unclean areas that go unresolved, lack of visibility into day-to-day operations. This communication breakdown doesn't just look unprofessional. It can lead to unsanitary and unsafe conditions, frustrated employees and tenants. In this video series, I will dive into the crucial role of responsive communication and how the right protocols can elevate your facility's cleanliness. From request handling to issue reporting, we'll cover what truly separates a reactive vendor from a proactive partner. It all starts with perhaps the most basic expectation: reasonable response time for urgent cleaning needs. Let's define what reasonable should mean in the next video. If unreliable cleaning and poor communications are janitorial nightmares you have experienced, stay tuned. This video series will reveal how to find a true partner you can trust.